Alright, today I'm going to show you how to check tire pressure on your LR3. Or actually, you can use this for any vehicle. But it's really simple. This is the tool that I have. I've had this for a long time. It does what every air pressure gauge does. It'll give you a reading. When you connect this to the end of the, when you connect this to the Schrader valve on the car, I'll show you all of that. And it'll pop up and show you what the, how many pounds of air you have in this case. Now, if you don't know the how many pounds of air your front or rear tires need, it's really easy to find out. You just open up your driver's side door and you're gonna look down until you find a sticker. In this case, it's right here. And this sticker has basic information about your car, your VIN number, generally how much it weighs. Sometimes it'll have a date of manufacture. But here in this case, you can see that I'm supposed to have 33 pounds of air pressure in the front. That's this one right here. And then down here it says 42 in the back. Now what you're going to do is you're going to look at your tire and you're going to find this valve right here. And it should have a cover on it. You're going to spin that cover off. It comes off. And this is called a Schrader valve. You're going to take this end and you're just going to push it in and you're going to get a reading right here. It says 40 pounds. So technically my front tires have more air than they're supposed to, but you just let the air out. Until it's at the appropriate level. You then repeat the process on the back tire. That's good. That's it. And you do that to all four sides, and if you need air, you add air or go to somebody that can add air into your car. And if you have too much, you can let a little bit out or just leave it alone as long as your light inside the car isn't on. But you need to be careful not to overpressurize your tires because it'll wear incorrectly.